98% of e-commerce founders never ever scale to 100K a month and more. And here's why. They are launching ads, launching targeted ads, launching email campaigns, email funnels, working on their website, on product pages, and nothing working. So the question is, why only 2% of e-commerce founders so different, and why only them get succeed? If you're watching this and you're making from 3K to 20K a month in total revenue, this video for you. Because you're in that zone where most e-commerce founders fail, but you don't need to. So here's 3 essential systems that every successful e-commerce brand have, and these systems you should implement in your business. The first system is acquisition. Acquisition mostly in paid ads and mostly in meta ads. So let's start from meta ads and cold traffic, top of the funnel. You don't need to have a lot of ad creatives to start. On start, you should select some options. It would be 6, 7, 8 ad creatives that you could implement in your marketing strategy, in your paid ads, and launch them for cold audience, for people who never engaged before with your brand and with your website. The second one is retargeted ads. And on this step, it's so important to think about your offer, and not only about an offer, but how you can deliver this offer to your audience through retargeted ads or through email campaigns and flows. The 2% of e-commerce stores that get succeed, they're not guessing in their strategy or ad creatives. They use data and they scale what already works. You just need to focus on the best options that you have. Best options including ad creatives, best options including product pages or landing pages that you have, or you should create ones to test it on your cold ads and retargeted ads. You should focus in on the best options on email campaigns, email flows. Think about how you can deliver the value in your emails, and how you can make people to visit your website and make a conversion. It's so simple. You just need to take time and analyze what's working in your business, what's working in ads, what's working in emails, in product pages, and generally in your business. So the system number 2 is conversion. Traffic alone doesn't pay off. If you have 100 sessions on your website, if you have 100 visitors on your product page, and only one of them buy your product, it's 1% of conversion. It's not too much. To be honest with you, our average conversion rate of our clients who've been working with us is 4%. And even in some projects, we have 6 and 7% of conversion rate. So if you have 300 sessions, 300 visitors on your website, and your conversion rate is 1%, you only have 3 purchases daily on your website. But if you have 300 visitors on your website and your conversion rate is about 6%, you will have about 18 purchases daily. So it depends on the quality of your product page. And again, focus on optimizing your product pages, optimizing your site speed. You should add social proofs, reviews of your clients on the website to increase the conversion rate. System number 3 is retention and lifetime value. This is where most business owners fail. They think someone buys once and the job is done, but not so. The 2% of successful e-commerce stores build email flows, make post purchases, upsells, cross sells. They turn customers into a repeatable customers on their website and make these people love their brand. They know it's more profitable to sell multiple times to one client than find again and again a new client and just sell once to them. Here is a quick example. The self-care brand was doing 7K a month before working with us. After working with us, we fixed product pages, we fixed meta ads system, we added email flows, welcome flow, browse abandoned, and abandoned checkout, 3 main flows. And after that, in 2 months, this brand hits 15K a month in total revenue. 2 times more in revenue. It's not a miracle, just a clear system to get results. And you can do this too. It's not about forced action. And here is your roadmap. And you can do this too. It's about focused action. And if you really want to move from the 98% to this 2% of successful e-commerce stores, here is your roadmap. Audit your acquisition channels. What works? What wastes your budget? What you should improve? And implement it. Optimize your store for conversion. test your product pages, landing pages, speed of loading your website, and checkout. Build retention systems, make customers coming back, and build strong LTV, lifetime value, with them. Scaling a brand to 100K a month takes more than launching ads. And I have an exact system how to do this for your brand. If you're really interested in scaling your brand in the most efficient way, apply now on scalebrandly.com and we'll talk about scaling your brand in the most efficient way. So, thank you so much for watching this video till end. I am happy to see you there and I'm waiting for your feedback. See you again and wish you the best.